also got this little gift bag because apparently it was my first Lady retreat. I got this velvety pink notebook. It's actually really pretty. It's like rose gold. And then I got this to-do list magnet pack. Got these Bible study kit, which is like pens and a ruler. This hanging saying board thing. I don't really know what it is. Like you can hang it up somewhere. I'm assuming there's like a bunch of sayings, like live free, all that. And then I got this 365-day devotional book. I also got this wall hanging decor. And yo, I got this fancy ring. You can put my name on it. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting. So I made these little Epsom salt, bath time salt, whatever. And this one is lavender, so I called it Sleepy Time. My handwriting isn't the best, so it doesn't look 100% aesthetically pleasing. But I added like some lavender and like a little bit of eucalyptus. And then this one is Summer Breeze, and it's just chamomile and orange. Kind of smells like a little bit like orange and cream. I don't like orange and cream, but someone said it smelled like that. But I got it in this little bag. I'm actually here on a ladies retreat with my church. First one ever. Just say you will. Come through and chill. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, show you something, give you more. If only y'all knew what I was using for my tripod right now. So I just got back from a ladies retreat with my church. First one I ever went on, and it was a little intense, but it wasn't bad. It was great. And the girl kind of has a messy room. Not kind of, she does. So I decided to change the type of stitch I was doing. Super clear, y'all know I'm talking about my temperature blanket, right? Little update. Because I think single crochet was too short. Because like, you know, that's single crochet. And then I changed it to a half double crochet. The last three, like up here. Because half double, one, it's more flexible, and two, it's a little longer and a little faster to do. But yeah, I'm this far. It's only like February 21st. I still have like 5 days to catch up on. Guess who just finished the row? There was like that much left. It wasn't a lot, but still got that day done. And I still am so obsessed with this Billie Eilish painting I did, watercolor. Like, she looks so stunning, and her eyes. Billie, if you're seeing this, Oh yeah, and if you guys have ever seen my videos and you've noticed that in the background, you want to know what it is? It's actually one of those aesthetics Spotify glass things. I have a lot more glass and I want to do a lot more, but yeah, it looks like that. And then Happier Than Ever by Billie Eilish. Oh, you can see my phone and what it's on. Yeah, that's how my phone is right now. Crazy. But yeah, I got the button, all this stuff. Should I do another ASMR video? Yeah, I need to repaint my headboard. Still like this for my Christmas. I was thinking neutrals or purple. Comment down below which one I should do.
On the road, take a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock 'em out, but then I throw 'em off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack 'em, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap 'em, chop a bite down like an apple.
Okay, I'm back. I know my outfit might not match, like, but it's comfortable, and they both have pink on them, so might as well. And they both have white on them, and like stuff like that. But yeah, we're back at the place now. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just go on a walk because, like, I don't know. But I know she's gonna see this later. And hi.
I forgot to end the vlog, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, question of the day: do you have any pets? And what animal are they? I'm currently pet sitting again, but for someone else. This is Izzy, one of the donkeys I'm sitting for. Yeah. And then Lucy is over there on the couch. And she also has like a lot of cats too, and they're hiding throughout the house. But yeah, I'm doing this for like the weekend. Try to vlog some of the stuff that I do. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!